National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Kendall County in northeastern Illinois, central Kalb County in north-central Illinois, Kane County in northeastern Illinois, until 1:15 p.m. At 12:47 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Malta to 6 miles southwest of DeKalb to Hinckley to Plano, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, golf ball size hail and 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Aurora, Elgin, DeKalb, St. Charles, Oswego, Batavia, Geneva, Sycamore, Yorkville, Camden Hills, Plano, Sandwich, South Elgin, Montgomery, North Aurora, Sugar Grove, Pingree Grove, Boulder Hill, Elburn, and Cortland. Including the following Interstate 88 between mile markers 83 and 119. This includes Northern Illinois University, Sandwich Fairgrounds, Aurora University, Illinois Math and Science Academy, and Waubonsee Community College. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.